Hi, this is Suzuki, and today we will look at uploading video lessons onto AkPLN in Teaching channel. I recorded a video on my phone using a tripod and then airdropped it to my desktop. So if you already have it on your computer, that is where we will start. The first thing I like to do, it's down here in the corner, is rename the video so it's easier to find. Suzuki, and today I was using bilingual. So now that my video is labeled and on my desktop, I will go to Chrome, and here I will type in Teaching Channel and log in here up at the right hand corner. Apparently it's open. So normally you would be entering your username and password. I have this open on another window, so it took me straight to my home page. I'm already in. You'll see here BSSD Cultural is the team where I want to add my video. So I click on that. And here we find the videos that have been added so far. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom so that I can add one myself. So I'm going to click on Attach Resources. I need to choose a file because I'm getting this from my desktop. If you have it in your drive, you would click on Link instead. We could look at that another time. So choose file here on my desktop, Suzuki movie, and click open. I like my Tikong lesson. That's it, first lesson. This was my first lesson. And I want to add a note. No, I won't add a note. Okay, maybe I will. So we looked at picking up and putting down a few items. Oops. Spoon, cup, plate, and I wish I didn't also use scissors. You'll see what I mean later. So you could add your own comments, and I will go ahead and save that, and it'll take a while to upload. I'm going to pause my recording until it's done uploading. As you can see, the video is processing. That took about 4 or 5 minutes to upload, and now it is finishing up. Maybe I shouldn't have unpaused quite yet. It's okay. I joke, it still took another minute or two after that. So here is how it now looks. I don't see my comment. So just in case, I'm going to write out here. I did my first lesson on picking up and putting items down using a spoon, some background noise, spoon, cup, saved, and scissors. Submit. Your comment has been posted. Okay, so my first one didn't save, and here it is. Everybody should be able to reply. And that is how we post onto AkPLN. Thank you.